He came riding in on a wave of pride, said, "I'll bring back the glory you've been denied. The trains will run, the streets will shine, and we'll take back what's yours and mine." The crowd was hungry, the crowd was tired, and hope's a match when the world's on fire. He spoke with thunder, he raised his hand, promised to make this a proud, strong land. Said, "Your troubles on yours, they were given away by the weak, by the lost, by the ones who strayed." And every shout rang louder still till truth was drowned beneath the wheel. Oh, the man on the balcony told us what we longed to hear. Said he'd drive out the darkness, said the dawn was near. But when the light came shining, it burned through the floor, and we saw we'd been standing in the shadow of war. He built his towers, he dressed in might, painted order over fear at night. He called the press, he called the crowd, and said, "Only I can save you now." And folks who'd once bowed heads in grace learned to lift their arms and shout his face. The bells of Rome rang loud and proud for peace wrapped tight in a soldier's shroud. He fed their hearts on borrowed lies while neighbors vanished overnight. And by the time the truth broke through, the crowd was gone, the streets were too. Oh, the man on the balcony told us what we longed to hear. Said he'd drive out the darkness, said the dawn was near. But when the light came shining, it burned through the floor, and we saw we'd been standing in the shadow of war. Now every age finds its man in black, with a smile that hides what's hard to track. He'll point to someone, say that's who to blame, and we'll trade our souls just to hear our name. So when the man says, "Only I can fix this land," remember the crowd that raised their hand, the flags, the chants, the faith misplaced, the price of hope without the grace. The man on the balcony told them what they longed to hear. Said he'd drive out the darkness, said the dawn was near. Now I hear that same song knocking at my door, and I won't stand again in the shadow.